How to resize images in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to resize images in Canva. So first of all, just simply open your Canva account, and after that just simply select a project that you would want to edit, or just enter the image you want to resize. So I have started this particular project right here, and in order to resize the image you first need to add the image in the layout. So just simply click on the element section from the left hand side menu screen, and over here just scroll down and you will be able to see the option called photos. Just simply click on see all, and you will see that there are different bunch of options of pictures available. So you can select any of them as per your liking. So for example, I'm taking this one right here. So as soon as you add this particular picture, you will see that there are dots all around this picture. So in order to resize it, you just simply have to hover the mouse cursor, and you can resize the image as per your liking. You can also right click on this particular image, and you will be able to see the option called set as background, and it will set this particular image as background. And now you won't be able to see the dots beside the picture, but you can see the option called resize from the top menu. Just simply click on it, and now you can resize the image as per your size, as per your liking. You can also customize the size of this particular image right here. So you can add width and height and unit in the pixel size, and you can resize the image as well. And you can also change the suggestion for the video for the picture. For example, you can, if you want to make it to the Instagram story, just simply click on it and click on continue, and it will change the complete and it will resize and completely change the picture as per your Instagram story outline. So you can use that as well if you want to. Now when you click on it, you can see that this particular image has been converted into a Instagram story, while Canva has resized this particular image for you. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is to resize your images in Canva. So that's how you will be able to resize images in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.